Guys, what's up? You know what it is. We back. Alex is right there. You know, DOS VR6. Hey, like I said last time, we're doing some updates. Alex is doing detailing now. What's the name, Alex?
Aurora Automotive Detailing.
Hey, if you didn't hear that, Aurora Automotive Detailing. All right. Hey, look for it in Instagram. It's coming up soon. He's gonna be posting the page, posting everything he does, all the rates, everything. He's making logos right now, so the page isn't up yet, but stay tuned, it will be. Follow DOS VR6, he'll post it on his thing, he'll post the page, and then you guys can go and follow it. Okay, so now we're getting down to business, what we're doing today. As you can see, the 12 valves up on the jack stands, already jacked it up with the jack. As I said in the last video, I got a rear sway bar for this thing, and then the new fans. So today we're gonna be putting in the sway bar in that. Also, got my VR6 bad boy R32 back. So, you know, so now it's a VR6 party in the garage. And then the beautiful Passat outside. My wife drives that now. But, what we doing today, Alex? We gonna have some fun and break some stuff?
Race car stuff.
Hey, remember, me and Alex someday are gonna open a garage and it's gonna be, it might get done. So, you never know. But, alright, so we're going to get into this. I'm going to show you the underneath. We'll give you a little bit of how we're going to get it done and everything. But, hey, I just want to thank all my followers still keeping with me. No, it's been a little bit. Have been posting here and there, not sometimes. But, hey, I thank all of you, all 107 of you. It's crazy. Never thought, 107 people would be following me. So, appreciate it. So, we got the bushings in, the clips, screws, the everything.
Fix that later. Shoot these later.
Alright, and we watched the YouTube video on it because we're YouTube mechanics, so let's do it. There's Alex getting it on the rear beam right there. Nice nuespeed sway bar. Get it in there. Alex, what you doing down there?
Fixing these end links, buddy. Getting them stiff.
So we just got the sway bar on the rear beam. So that's all locked in right there. Now we just got to get it on the stiffest setting because race car activities. But, yep, there we go. Alex adjusting the sway bar end links right here. Loosen them up, make sure that they work properly. Clean them up so we can properly adjust when we need to. Hey guys, what's up? So she's back on the ground. Cleaned up these wheels, forgot how good these things look clean. Definitely got to clean the front ones now. But damn, look at these things. These are beautiful. Forgot how good, man. Clean this one up too. These wheels are just stellar, man. Definitely got to clean it. But there she is. You can get under here. There's the new sway bar all installed. Rocking and rolling. Real good. There she is. Look at those wheels, man. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video here. It's the 12 valve, all set. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Let's get to 200. Alright, thanks guys.